Okay guys, welcome back again. As you probably saw from the previous video, come on Bogey. I got a Bugatti Bolide 118, and truthfully my girlfriend bought me two at the same time, so this is the other one. It's the Harrods Livery F1 GTR. So I have a McLaren F1 already, but I don't have a GTR. And, you know, the GTR looks cool with the louvers and the wing and all that stuff, so she figured why not add it to the collection, and that's fine with me. So, yep, here it is. Again, I think this one was only about $40-something, so pretty affordable. I don't know who made this one. Solido? I don't know. Never heard of that company before. But, whatever. Let's get her opened up and taken out. So there it is. Looks pretty good. So let's get it unhooked and we'll check it out. Oh, this one's got 4 screws. Okay. I might actually need to go get a smaller screwdriver for this. Oh, nope, I got it. The screws are just being a little difficult. So there's the first one. Wow, that's a long screw. Jeez. Here's the second one. It's not quite out far enough. Well, that one's not coming out any further, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. That's kind of annoying. Well, okay. I don't know what's going on with those last 2 screws, but whatever. Got the car out, I guess. So let's put all this stuff away and take a look at the car. Alright, so here it is. It still has the, here, let's get that off actually. It still has the tape on the bottom to keep the doors from opening. Which I know for a fact these ones should. I'll have to figure out what's going on with the Bolide, but yeah, these ones definitely should open. So let's get the tape off. And there we go. So, there's the car from the side. There it is, straight on. Looks pretty good. It actually has a lot of detail. It's got, I mean, it even has like all the stickers and GT1 class and all that stuff on it. It's got a BBC Top Gear, like, it's probably supposed to be a sponsorship sticker or something, but yep. And then the doors do open on this one. I guess they don't stay open, so that's a little disappointing, I guess. Not that I display my cars with their doors open anyways, but the fact that you can't even leave them open at all is a little disappointing, but yeah, it's not the end of the world. And then there it is from the back. So there's the iconic F1 rear, quad exhaust. Yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, all right, let's put it in and see how it looks. So what I'm gonna do for this is I'm going to put it next to the other McLarens, but I have to move my Zonda in order to do that. So let's move the Cinque out of the way, put the McLaren F1 GTR in, and there it is next to the P1 and the regular F1. And then I'll put the Cinque in the next bin. So yeah, there it is. Another addition to the collection. Alright, well, let me know what you guys think of the model, and thanks for watching.